No great surprises. I mean, clearly a focus has been on when this rate hike is going to come. It looks, though, with a reshuffle at the bank, that Carney might have a few more people on his side to keep these rates low for a while.
Hi, Axel. Yeah, I think that's right, isn't it? The monetary policy debate in the UK is becoming more interesting, but not so interesting that any individual MPC member is ready to vote for a hike yet. So I think we're actually some way off. And as you say, the personnel of the Monetary Policy Committee is beginning to shift, and by August, a third of the committee will have been rotated. And therefore, it could be that if Mark Carney wants to keep interest rates lower for longer, then he might have a little bit more support. And
let's face it, we've got cable up right now. This looks well supported. No great surprises there. If we continue to see this appreciation, that of course lowers future inflation risk. That takes the pressure off the table as well, right?
Yes, at the margin it certainly would do. We would point out that the Bank of England's expectations for inflation generally, without a further rise in cable, are for CPI numbers to remain below target for the next 2 to 3 years. So we're starting off from a base point where the central bank really expects inflation to be below target with no significant upside risks.
I don't know if I've asked you, I forget if I've asked you this in the past before. Is there a danger of us becoming a little bit too complacent about the strength of the recovery in the UK?
Well, things are looking pretty good at the moment, not least because we are getting a broad-based recovery, at least across the economic sectors, e.g. services, manufacturing and construction. It's interesting at the moment what's happening with the housing market, where we've actually seen housing turnover in the shape of mortgage approvals come down for 3 months in a row. And one wonders if that's going to put any downside pressure on consumer spending over the medium term.
Yeah.